Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by choosing a visible, flat site. Location sells the build. First, rough out a 15 by 20 footprint. Adjust scale if needed. Once chosen, collect core materials: wooden planks for trim, stone bricks for walls, glass panes for windows, banners and signs for branding, redstone for lighting. Place corner markers to lock dimensions. Then lay a clean stone brick foundation 1 block high. This gives you a level base and prevents later sinking. Make your entrance central. It frames the facade and guides traffic. You now raise the shell and carve out the customer experience. Build walls 4 to 6 blocks high, then add a slight roof overhang 2 to 3 blocks deep to mimic a fast food canopy. Once the shell stands, place the counter using slabs at waist height, hide support with trapdoors, and use item frames for menu icons. Behind the counter, position furnaces as grills, chests as coolers, and a crafting table as prep. Make sure pathways are at least 2 blocks wide. Smooth traffic keeps queues looking realistic and functional. You finish by adding recognizable branding and final systems. Paint a logo with colored wool or banners over the facade. Attach signs for menus and prices so players instantly recognize the theme. Install redstone lamps tied to daylight sensors or simple switches to control interior lighting. This solves dim or always-on issues. Once done, spawn or trade for villagers as staff, then test all doors, counters, and NPC paths. If villagers clip or queues jam, widen aisles, add slabs to guide movement.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.